Hey guys, welcome back to Blackbird Studio. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make all the different objects in your scene a different color. I'm just going to make a new file, and I'm going to save that. And so first I'm going to make an array of these objects. I'm going to go over to the modifier properties and add an array modifier. And I'll actually add 3 of these. The first one will be set to 1.1 on the x-axis, and the more that you increase this, the more spaced out they'll be. And on the x-axis for the second one, that'll be 0 and 1.1 for the y-axis, which is this way. And this one should be 0 for the last one and 1.1 for the z-axis. And I'm just gonna increase all of these to 5. Okay, now they're all one object, so I'm gonna apply them all, and they're still all one object. So I'm gonna tab into edit mode and press P and separate by loose parts. And now they'll all actually have the same origin point, which isn't really what we want, but it doesn't really matter actually. So I'm just gonna select object, set origin, and origin to geometry by selecting them all, and go over to shading. With one of them selected, I'm gonna press Shift A, or actually I could change the base color on one of these. I would change it on all of them because they're all instanced of one of these. So I'm gonna press Shift A and search for color ramp, and I'm gonna turn off caps lock. I don't like it. And I'm also gonna press Shift A, and I think it's object info, and if I plug in random to the factor for this and color to the base color, you'll see that they're all different colors on a ramp from black to white. And I can drag, if I want them to be more white or more black, if I want them to be more black, I can drag the black node more to the right. And this is like the percent, like there's a smaller chance that they'll be white because there's a smaller gap for the white area. So I can also do this based on the location, and I can select everything and press G, and I have to figure out what, okay, I move them this way. Then it'll color them based on the location, which is pretty cool. But I'm just gonna keep that on random for now. And also I can add more ramp things. What I'm gonna do is make the first one red, make the second one orange, I guess, make the third one green, fourth one blue, and the last one purple. So you have red, orange, green, blue, purple, and I guess there's like a yellow in between that, so you know, I really need to add in the yellow. I mean, we could just do it, I guess. So right here, put this plus button and yellow. Oh yeah. Okay, and I guess that's it for this video. If you liked it, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next one. Bye. And this also works for location, by the way, which looks pretty cool. and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.